guys, it's Sophia and
Kate.
T. And this time we're gonna be prank calling. I don't know if you can see. Oh no, you can't. Not really. Okay, she's gonna hold it. Okay, so we're just gonna call random people and see what happens when we ask them weird questions. Okay, now I'm typing first one. Okay. Don't worry, we'll put it on speaker. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Nah, that's not a number. Okay. Ooh. Okay.
Hello.
Hi, can I use your microwave?
Mom, someone's on the phone. How can I use your microwave?
Bye. Oh! Okay, please comment on this one because I'm wearing a tube and I got a yoga ball. Okay, that was really fun. We're gonna do more maybe next time on OMG.
Hello, ow.
GTG.
Me.
Actually, it's me. Bye.